The basis of this division in between femininity and masculinity resides within emotions, actually. And what are emotions within the body? It's heat within the body. It's this heat within the body which manifests itself into different kind of energies as well as different kind of emotions. Essentially, emotions are energies as well, but there is a bit of difference. And how do we differentiate in between femininity and masculinity? It is due to intensity of heat within different emotion. For an example, like ego, it has higher intensity of heat in it, and hence this is masculine. For an example, attachment or moh, this is having the lowest intensity of heat within itself. That is why this is feminine. So that emotion which is having lower intensity of heat, that is feminine, and that emotion which is having higher intensity of heat, that is masculine. Because all these emotions are known as maya. And what Guru Sahib says, maya agan sab ikko jei karte khel rachaya. Agan means fire. That is why if you observe, even science addresses this, that as soon as a certain kind of emotion arises from within the mind, the temperature within the body will increase. A certain kind of emotion will arise, then the body's temperature will increase up to a certain level. This is how it is. And of course, there are lots of traits of feminine and masculine energies, or you could even call it feminine or masculine emotions. And for an example, I'll just mention three traits each. Femininity is all submissive, all acceptive, and inclusive. This is femininity. Masculinity is exactly the opposite. It is aggressive, it is resistive, and it is exclusive. If you observe, femininity is inclusive, masculinity is exclusive. Masculinity is resistive, aggressive. Femininity is all acceptive, all
Inclusive,
submissive. They're
exclusive in
exactly
regards to what?
opposites.
Inclusive,
Pardon?
inclusive, exclusive regards to what? In what context are you using these words?
Um, I would say over here, inclusive means those energies which are flowing inside from outside, and exclusive over here means those energies which are flowing outside to inside. For an example, a woman is a natural receiver. In that situation, energies are flowing inside from outside. And a man is a natural provider, he's a natural giver. In this situation, his energies are flowing outside from inside. That's how it is. And if we want to observe it more further, then we can understand it very, very, very easily by understanding the strength of the body within man and a woman, as well as the process of digestion, which increases the heat within the body. As said, what is heat? What are emotions? It is heat within the body. And this division in between femininity and masculinity are emotions. Everything within nature has its own pros and cons, including femininity as well as masculinity. Femininity has its own set of negative and positive. Masculinity has its own set of negative and positive as well. It's just that masculinity is more of negativity. Femininity is less of negativity. Masculinity is less of positivity. Femininity is more of positivity. Femininity is much more purer. That does not mean that masculinity is completely impure. For an example, as I said, that this division in between femininity and masculinity are emotions. Contentment is masculinity, it is positive. Gambhirta, seriousness, it is masculinity, it is positive, right?
Hmm.
In today's date, how much I have observed, these are the two primary positive qualities of masculinity. I literally could not find out more. But I have lot of emotions, positive emotions, which are feminine in nature. For an example, patience, humbleness,
Hmm.
love, shame. There is one more emotion known as seal, ecstasy. There's so much of positivity within femininity. But that does not mean that masculinity does not contain positivity within itself.